Welcome to our live stream. Just feel free to follow us by clicking upper left. Let me briefly introduce our brand and company to you. Yes. Focuses on intelligent terminal equipments. Main products include digital signage, advertising display LCD, industrial computers, capacitive touch screens, education conference touch kiosk, multimedia information, population system terminals, face recognition, temperature measurement, attendance, access control device, etc. The top one source manufacturer in digital signage solution in Guangdong province with 10,000 square meters production factory, also with our hardware factory, capacitive screen factory and Malaysia branch company. The company with R&D department, purchasing department, finance department, planning department, sales department, foreign trade department, after sales department, and production department. Okay, welcome. Okay, let's go on. We company has passed so many certificates, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Our products have passed 3C certificates, CE, FCC, ROHS certificates as well. We have the dust-free workshop and quality inspections, including part detection, screen test, touch sensitivity test, anti-static test, waterproof test, constant temperature and humidity test, anti-vibration test as well. Our company is with R&D department, purchasing department, finance department, planning, sales, foreign trade after sales, and production departments. Both OEM and ODM orders are acceptable and welcome. Now let me introducing the first product to you. Okay, this one is the A-Link electronic shelf label, paper. Yes, Bluetooth electronic name tags, digital name plate, color e-paper display, just like this. Yes, we have a sample in our live stream. Okay. Okay, there is a video description of this A-Link name tag. So we can just watch this video description first. Okay. Yes, this is the video description of this digital nameplate. Okay. OEM orders are welcome. The resolution is 800 multi 480. This paper design is portable and long standby time. Yes, the bistable display. The picture format is text, JPEG, PNG. Okay, electric shelf label, e-paper display. It is made of PC material, and brushed aluminum or ABS. Okay. It can be used as the advertising, publish, retail store, shopping mall, display, etc. Okay. If you are interested in this, if you want to get more information, just feel free to contact us. Okay. Provide software to replace display content. Okay. It is really light, thin, and portable. It's very light, yes, and portable one. You can also choose different color. Black and white, black and red, black and white, red and yellow. Okay, just as your requirement. Choose the color you like.